If you've just finished editing a video in CapCut and you want to get it posted to TikTok fast, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload CapCut videos to TikTok in just a few simple steps so your video exports correctly, opens in TikTok the right way, and is ready to post without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump right in. Before you export anything, the first thing you want to do is make sure your video is set to the proper TikTok format. TikTok works best with a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio, so check your CapCut projects before moving forward. This is important because if your video is the wrong size, it may show black bars, crop incorrectly, or just not look as professional once it's uploaded. So take a quick second to confirm that your edit fills the full vertical screen. Once your video looks good and the aspect ratio is correct, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap Export. This is the button that starts the final render process in CapCut. When you tap it, CapCut will prepare your video and bring up the export options. Depending on your device and version of the app, you may see a few different sharing choices here, but the one we're looking for is the TikTok share option. In the pop-up menu, look for Share to TikTok or the TikTok app logo. This option is especially useful because it sends your finished video directly into TikTok instead of saving it somewhere and making you re-upload it manually. That means fewer steps, less waiting, and a smoother workflow overall. If you see the TikTok icon, tap it to continue. CapCut will then automatically export your video and open the TikTok publishing screen for you. After TikTok opens, you'll be taken directly to the posting page. This is where you can finish the upload just like any normal TikTok video. Start by adding your description. Make it clear, relevant, and attention-grabbing because this is your chance to tell viewers what your video is about and encourage engagement. You can also add hashtags here if they fit your content and help with discoverability. Next, take a look at your privacy settings. TikTok lets you choose who can view the post, so make sure you select the option that matches your publishing goal. Whether you want everyone to see it, only friends, or just yourself for testing, this is the place to set it correctly before posting. It's always a good idea to double check these settings so your video goes live exactly how you want it to. Once your caption and privacy settings are ready, tap Post. TikTok will upload the video and publish it to your account. And that's it. Your CapCut video is now on TikTok, ready to be seen by your audience. If you followed along, you've now learned the easiest way to move from editing to publishing without wasting time. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on CapCut, TikTok, and other popular apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.